No, we're not going out there. No, because we have to remove the squirrel.
What?
Let's see if he's going to go after it anymore.
Maybe he's oh no! Oh no! Maybe he's gonna go after it in a minute.
Okay. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He's having a good time with that squirrel.
Yeah.
Oh, kitty. He caught a squirrel. See, what did he get the other day? Got like a bird. Oh, and a lizard. Yeah, he got a lizard too. He's a wild kitty. Oh, look. Now he's chasing after. Gonna get something else. Gonna get something else. Oh.
Please go down.
No, they're so cute together. Now Daisy wants to come in. Okay, go ahead, open the door. Let Daisy in. Do not go outside till Daddy can remove the squirrel.
Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
He's going to town with that squirrel.
Daddy, are you going to remove the squirrel now?
Eventually. Hey, let Daisy in. Let Daisy... Daisy, come on. Come on, get it. No. Come on in. Everybody in. Close the door. It's almost bath time.
No, I want to watch Daddy wash the school.